Welcome student. Today we are going to learn a lesson of 9th standard of English Kumar Bharati. The name of lesson is A True Story of Sea Turtles. The half part of this lesson we have discussed in the previous video. Now remaining part of this lesson we will see in this video. So let's start. There are 7 types of sea turtles in the world, 5 of which are found in India. The olive ridley turtle's nest along the entire coastline of Maharashtra. Green turtles and hawkbills have also been found. That means there are the 7 types of sea turtles in the world, but 5 of them found in India, that is the olive ridley turtle's nest, which is along the entire coastline of Maharashtra, then green turtles as well as hawkbills. And amazing characteristics of turtles is that when the female turtle reaches maturity, that is nearly after a gap of 15 years, she returns to the shore to lay her eggs at the same place where she was born, and the female comes on shore just to make a nest in the sand and lay her eggs and immediately return to the sea. She does not return to the nest after that. The eggs hatch after a period of 45 to 50 days using natural heat. That means that turtle, that female turtle comes on shore just to make nest in the sand and lay her eggs, and after that immediately returns to the sea and does not return to the nest after that. And the eggs hatch after a period of 45 to 50 days by using the natural heat. Then innumerable dangers await the little hatchling in the deep sea, and they have to face them all on their own. Their survival rate is therefore as low as just 1 or 2 turtles out of 1,000. Turtle performs an important function. They keep the sea clean, thus they occupy an important place in marine ecology. Considering all these factors, it is vital to undertake their protection on a large scale. Now, what are the importance of the turtles? How the turtles perform an important role? See that they keep the sea clean. They occupy an important place in marine ecology. By looking all these factors, it is necessary to undertake their protection on a large scale. After the success at Velas, we started implementing the project in other places too. Within 5 years, the entire coastline of Maharashtra was surveyed. That means when they had started the first project and when it was become successful, after that they started to implement the project in other places also, and within 5 years they have observed the entire coastline of Maharashtra. Protection was offered in 80 of the villages where turtle nests were found. Our strategy was to engage those who had so far been involved in stealing the eggs, then to train and involve them in the work of protection. We started the Turtle Friends Awards, Kasav Mitra, to encourage more people to be a part of the protection campaign. A comprehensive booklet and a short film on the protection of turtle was prepared to spread the message. That means 80 of the villages they had offered the protection where the turtle nests were found, as well as they had used the strategy that who were involved in stealing the eggs to train them and involve them in the work of protection, as well as they had started the Turtle Friend Awards, that is called Kasav Mitra, to encourage more people to be part of the protection campaign. a comprehensive booklet, and a short films on the protection of turtles. It was also prepared to spread the message for the protection of the turtles nest. The year 2006 saw the beginning of a novel concept, Turtle Festival or Kaso Mohotsava, an opportunity for tourists to witness the unique spectacle of the hatchling rushing out to the sea. A short film on the turtles and the natural beauty of Konkan were additional features of the festival, and which were the additional features of this festival. It were that an opportunity for the tourists to witness the unique spectacle of the hatchling rushing out to the sea, as well as a short film on the turtles and the natural beauty of Konkan. These were the important additional features of that festival. So at the same time, we were quite firm on one issue: the hatchling the hatchling should not come to even the shortest harm due to this tourist activity. The tourists were accommodated in the homes of the villagers. The response to this novel concept of homestay was excellent. A Turtle Friends Club was established in each village, the members being all the villagers offering homestay. All villages would now offer the same rate for homestay. They gave 10% of their income from homestay for the Turtle Protection Fund. That means the response to this novel concept of homestay, it was excellent. So a turtle friend club was established in each village, and the member being all the villagers offering homestay, and whatever they got the income, for the 10% of their income from the homestay which was given for the turtle protection fund. The fund will be utilized for the purpose of protection and conservation of turtles, and modern technology also help the festival reach all corners of the world through the medium of the internet and our website. People around the world began to contact the small villages of Konkan. More and more villagers came forward to do this work, and number of homestay families went up to 35. As many as 800 people began to visit villas in the turtle season. This meant more business for the villagers. Now they realize that tourism can be a source of income. Tourists bring in money, and in order to earn that money, it was important to protect the turtle hatchlings. This was conservation of nature through livelihood in its true sense, and Velas became the project's main success story. And by this way, they had given the protection for the turtles, as well as the people of that villages got the sources of income by the tourism. So, Sahyadri Nisarga Mitra, our organization, believe that it is only the local villagers who can ultimately offer excellent protection to the local species. And it was the thought that it was given the excellent protection by the only local species. So, Sahyadri Nisarga Mitra, our organization, they believe that it is only the local villagers who can ultimately offer excellent protection to the local species. If they are given the freedom to do that, the conservation project became sustainable. With this belief, we entrusted the project to the forest department, the Gram Panchayat, the villagers, and their Turtle Friends Club. All of them are handling it wonderfully. Now we are happy to see the project running smoothly and offer help only when necessary. By this way, they had given the protection for the turtles. I hope all you understood this remaining part of this lesson. Thank you.